friends, today I am going to start with your algebra first lesson, linear equation in two variable. Already in last year we learned this lesson, the linear equation in two variable. In that we learned the elimination and the substitution method to find out the solution of the equations. This year also we have to see the linear equation in two variable, but in that we have to study the different methods. Last year only we learned the elimination and the substitution method. This year we have to learn more methods on that. Before that, I will in detail explain what is the meaning of linear equation in two variable. The equation, the definition of this linear equation in two variable is given: an equation which contains two variables, means the equation which hold the two variables and the degree of each term containing the variable is 1. That equation is called as the linear equation in two variable. And the standard form of the linear equation in two variable is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, where and for that the condition is given. And what is the condition? That condition you have to see, where a, b, c are real number and a and b is not equal to 0. Here a, b, c are real numbers and a and b is not equal to 0. If c is equal to 0, no problem at all. But a and b never equal to 0. That time you will say that that one is the linear equation in two variable. Here this a, b and c, I will say that these are the real number, and this x and y are called variable term. Means these are the variable term, this is the constant term. And a and b is not equal to 0. If c is equal to 0, no problem at all. Then from that we will frame the linear equation. I will give one example. 3x plus 4y is equal to 7, or 3x plus 4y minus 7 is equal to 0. This is the standard form of the linear equation, where this I will compare this with standard form of the linear equation in two variable, ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Here a is equal to 3 will come, b is equal to 4 will come, and c is equal to minus 7 will come. And the index of the variable terms, these terms are 3x and 4y are the variable term. The index of the variable term is 1. Here degree, this index of this x is 1, index of this y is 1. The degree of this term is 1, degree of this term is 1, and this is the constant term. And from that I will say that this is the linear equation in two variable. Stop. Are given, and we have to identify that the given equations are linear equation in two variable or not. According to the definition and the standard form, you have to compare these equations and you have to identify that these are the linear equation in two variable or not. Here first example is given, 4m plus 3n is equal to 12. You have to compare this with ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. At that time I will write this as 4m plus 3n minus 12 is equal to 0. And you have to compare this with the standard form of the linear equation. And first of all you have to concentrate with the variable term, and you have to search that the degree of the variable term is 1 or not. Here index of this m is 1, index of this n is 1, and these both terms are the variable term, and degree of these terms are 1. And from that, if we will compare with the standard form of the linear equation, that time we will say that this is the linear equation in two variables. So I will say that yes, above equation is the linear equation in two variables. Everybody understand? So again I will give the hint that this variable terms you have to search, and you have to see that the variable term have the degree 1 or not. If these have the degree 1, that time you have to say that this equation in two variable. Then you have to start with the next equation. This is the second equation, 3x square minus 7y minus 13. Here, this is the variable terms. The index of this variable term is 2, means degree of this term is 2 and degree of this term is 1. So, if degree is 1, according to the definition, the variable term, the degree of each term containing the variable is 1. But here, the degree of this term is 2, degree of this term is 1. And according to that, we will say that this is not the linear equation in two variables. This is the quadratic equation. But this, then you will say that again, third example, square root of 2x minus square root of 5y is equal to 16. Here, this square root of 3 and square root of 5 are the irrational numbers. And irrational numbers are the real numbers. These are the term of the A, these are the term of the B, this is the term of the C, these are the real numbers. So, you will say that this square root of 3x minus square root of 5y is equal to 16 is the linear equation or not. At that time, this is the variable term, the index of the variable is 1, the index of this variable y is 1 and the degree of this term is 1, degree of this term is 1. So, I will say that this is the linear equation in two variables. After that, you have to concentrate with this example 4. 0x means 0 multiplied by x. If 0 multiplied by x, at that time answer will come 0. Plus 6y minus 3 is equal to 0. I will write this equation as 6y minus 3 is equal to 0. Though the index or degree of this term is 1, but here x term is not given. So you have to say that this is not the linear equation in two variables. Then you have to concentrate over this equation 0.36x plus 0y minus 36 is equal to 0. Here this 0 multiplied by y is equal to 0 and from that I will write this equation as 0.36x minus 36 is equal to 0. Here another variable is not given. If another variable is not given, that time we will say that this is not the linear equation in two variables. After that, you have to concentrate over this equation. In this equation, I will write this as 4x raised to 1. This index of this variable is 1, index of this variable is 1. According to the rules of the indices, a raised 1 upon a raised to minus 1 is equal to a raised to plus 1 or 1 upon a raised to plus 1 is equal to a raised to minus 1. Here x raised to plus 1 will go upside. At that time this equation become 4x raised to minus 1 plus 6y raised to minus 1 is equal to 4. Here index of the variable term is not the 1 or degree of this each variable term is not the 1. That one is the minus 1. So I will say that this is not the linear equation in two variables. Students, I will conclude this topic that what is the meaning of the linear equation in two variables already I explained. After that I explained that how is the standard form of the linear equation, and here ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 where a, b, c are real number and a and b is not equal to 0. I gave one example and we identified that how means these are the linear equation in two variable or not. In next lesson, in next lecture, I will explain the method how to find out the solutions of the linear different methods of the how to find out the linear solutions of the linear equation in two variable. So you have to